ITM University has very unique programs to offer. We have embedded the direction envisaged by National Education Policy into our practices. We have now an individual career plan for every student. And what is the meaning of this individual career plan? Right in the first year, we ask the student what kind of career you are looking for yourself. Now, depending on the choice of the career, because some are extrovert, some are introvert, some like man management, some like more meeting with people. So looking at the interest area, looking at the competencies of the student, we design an individualized career plan. And we mentor the student, we handhold the student right during his entire journey at the university to ensure that he gets the job for which he is aspiring right from the day one. Every department, submits an annual development plan, and this annual development plan is designed keeping in mind the changing requirements of the industry. What kind of new labs are required, what kind of new journals, books are required, what kind of competencies are required in faculty members, what kind of training is required. All that is looked into, and then the annual plan is prepared. Now this annual development plan is then monitored on a monthly basis. Every month, as Vice Chancellor, I look at the progress of how much of those activities have been covered. This campus is having the vision of a Gurukul environment. And when I am saying Gurukul environment, it means we try to ensure the ambience at the campus that a student feel he is very close to nature, very close to his friends, peer group, and close to faculty members, and we ensure a very stress-free, serene environment at the campus so that best learning can take place. We have been winning lots of awards for ensuring this stress-free, clean and green environment. We have been ranked as #1 in the entire country by Ministry of Education in 2018 in the Swachh Campus Mission Abhiyan. Very recently also, we have won the Green Champion Award. There was a competition by Ministry of Education that one campus in every district will be given the award of Green Champion, and we have won that Green Champion Award also. Industry Connect is one activity which is very essential in professional education. We ensure Industry Connect in both the ways. We provide opportunity for our students to go to industry and do some internships there, industry visits there, and learn the culture and the work practices of the industry. In addition to this, we also invite industry experts to our campus and interact with our students by various expert talks, guest lectures. We invite them as judges in various events. We invite them to celebrate certain days of national and global importance with us. So we ensure that right during the year there is good industry connect with industries which are there all across Chhattisgarh, industries which are there in central India. Our goal is that ITM University should be the torch bearer as far as implementation of national education policy is concerned, and we also envisage that we should be the preferred choice for admissions of not only students from central India but from the entire country.